Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's Friday, time for your love bite. Let's see what messages there are here for you, Aquarius. These are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Aquarius, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aqua gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Aquarius, as always, an angel blessing card to top your reading and then we'll begin, okay? So my angels, blessing, guidance, advice or a message for Aquarius, please. Blessing, guidance, advice or a message for Aquarius. This one. All right, we've got our card, Aquarius. Let's put the rest back. And the card we got for you, Aquarius, is play music. Maybe I've been stressing out too much, Aquarius, or maybe music is very important between the two of you. And sometimes the way I use music, Aquarius, whenever I have anything that I need to have answers for, whether from a person or from spirit, I put my intention out there and I play random music. Mostly 99.9%, I always get my answer in the first few songs, the lyrics of the songs that play. So you can try that, Aquarius, or maybe your partner is trying to communicate to you through music. Let's see why this card is here and how it's going to resonate with the rest of your reading. So welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel and sending it all that love. All your beautiful comments, your likes are all very appreciated. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. And yes, Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of our Omkara family. We welcome you in. Do subscribe to the channel. So, Aquarius, this is just a small 9-card spread to see what's the most important message here for you for your love life. Your longer readings have been put up. I'll leave a link at the end of the video in case you've missed them. And of course, your next in-depth reading will be on Tuesday. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Aquarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And bottom of my deck, I have the beautiful card of the Wheel of Fortune. Now this is a good luck card, Aquarius. So maybe somebody is hoping for that or maybe experiencing it. Let's see. Queen of Wands, 9 of Wands, King of Wands, Knight of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Judgment, the Moon, 6 of Pentacles and the Chariot. Okay, Aquarius, from what I see, I have an equal pair here. Queen of Pentacles to the King of Pentacles, but right now they are both in reverse. It seems there's been some kind of a problem here. Maybe the Queen of Pentacles is a little upset and angry with their person. Maybe the King of Pentacles has not given to the connection in the past and has been a bit self-serving or a bit selfish here. So I think I have this Queen of Wands here who is kind of not even fighting for the connection anymore. But somebody still does want to bring a romantic offer. Or maybe, let me just clarify. Somebody wants to have a new beginning here. Somebody wants to have a rebirth. So what I'll have to just clarify these cards and see that is this new love coming towards you, Aquarius, or is this your old person trying to come towards you for a rebirth or a resurrection of this this scenario which was here on top. I think things will be talked about. Things have to be talked about. Certain things, if you guys have been keeping in your heart, have to be talked about what created this imbalance in your relationship. And somebody is moving on, moving forward. I don't know whether it's towards each other or ahead in their own life. Once we clarify the cards, we'll get to know better. But before that, let's take some dialogue message cards and see really what's going on. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Aquarius and the person. All right, let's take a few more from here, Aquarius. Aquarius and their person. They could say something. Wow, lots to say. Okay, so let's take some messages from the heart as well. All right, good to go, Aquarius. Let's begin. So the first card here says, it hurts me that you continue to choose others over me. What do they have that I don't? Or is it that you don't feel worthy of a real connection? Like I said, there's some major conflict going on here. I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with someone else. During sex, all I can think about is you. I get so high thinking of you, it's only ever you that makes me orgasm. I don't take that as a compliment, would you, Aquarius? I know that you're with someone else, but you could tell me the truth about how you feel so I don't think I'm going fucking crazy. Yes, there is somebody here who knows that their partner is being selfish, or maybe Queen of Wands is being selfish, I don't know, but they know their partner is being selfish here, and it's upsetting. It's upsetting that why do you choose them over me? I'm not your so secret admirer. I know that you know that I'm always checking up on you. I didn't run from you, I ran from myself. It's all down to my deep fear of rejection and insecurities. I swear you get more beautiful every day. With age you refine and blossom like fine wine. You're absolutely stunning inside out. Maybe somebody is trying to make up now, Aquarius. But the reply to that is, my feelings for you now are platonic. Somebody has lost their fire for this connection. I will wait for you as long as I have to. Last card says, please make time for me. Yes, there is some trouble in paradise in this connection. Let's see what's going on. Why is the Queen of Wands in reverse, Spirit? Why is the Queen of Wands in reverse? Yes, they've decided that to kind of end or slow down this connection, or maybe this was a long-term partnership or a long-term commitment of some sort, and there's been some stagnancy in this connection now. One more. Queen of Wands in reverse. Yes, this feminine never felt stable in this relationship. If this was a stable connection, a marriage, or you guys have been together for a long time in a committed relationship, this feminine never felt grounded, never felt safe, never felt secure, and I think is coming to the verge of saying, hey, if it has to stagnate, if it has to get over, then I'm okay with it. I'm not going to fight for this connection either. Nine of Wands in reverse. Nine of Wands in reverse. Nine of Wands in reverse. Yes, this feminine has never been emotionally happy in this connection. They feel what I wished for is not what I got. Like there is no happiness to be had anymore. At least that's how they feel. And they decided, I'm not going to fight for this relationship anymore. Why? Because the King of Wands is also in reverse. They feel this person was a bit selfish, was very self-serving, did whatever they had to do, whenever they had to do it. They never really put in their 100% commitment into this connection. So, one more, Spirit, for the King of Wands. King of Wands in reverse. King of Wands in reverse. Yes, they always held back. They never gave of themselves, or they never gave enough to the relationship to make it like a two-way street. One person was selfish, one person was a bit self-serving, always doing what they liked, when they liked it, the way they would like it, and they always kind of emotionally, look at this person, has a big coin in front of his heart. So their heart was never really open. And because of that, this feminine here, I think, always felt emotionally emotionally in lack. And now this commitment is not making sense to them. So who's this Knight of Cups then, Spirit? Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Somebody is now realizing that things have really gone too far. I think this is the same Knight of Wands, the partner who was here, the King of Wands, sorry. This person is realizing, oh my God, I'm realizing now that I haven't done justice to my person, and that's why now there is no more love to be had. They've kind of emotionally closed off to me, and they're no longer offering me the kind of unconditional love and attention that I used to get from them. Yes, they're realizing that they were a bit immature maybe they realize their player ways now, and they may be now wanting to offer a restart. They want to now offer stability once again. They want to come and romance their person once again. They want to now offer love for a change, but they're still coming in Knight energy. Just be mindful of that. They want to actually wipe the slate clean and start from the first hello. Okay? They want a rebirth of this connection. They want to restart this connection once again. Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles and the Judgment card, Spirit. Page of Pentacles and the Judgment card. Yes, they want to apologize now. Yes, now they are kind of missing their partner. Now they want to go back to their soulmate, who they think is their soulmate. Now they're remembering all the good times they've had with their person. You guys may have been together for some time, and so you've built up those sweet memories as well, right? So now this masculine is kind of missing all that. They're missing the love and affection. They want to now come and say sorry to you, apologize to you, and tell you that since you left, there's no sunshine when you're gone, right? So this person is now wanting to re-begin from stage 0 with the page energy, Page of Cups, Page of Pentacles. Hey, can we begin again? You are my soulmate. I still love you, and I'm not happy without you. Let's try and make this work once again. Yes, they want to tell this feminine now that whatever went wrong in this connection, I want to make it right. But I'm not too sure, because this feminine has now kind of found their power. They found their power, and this feminine is now ready to release. They don't want to be stuck in a toxic relationship. So I'm not sure who's going to win. Let's see. Moon in reverse, Spirit. Moon in reverse. Moon in reverse. Oops. Somebody has made a decision here. They don't want to be at crossroads for the rest of their life. They feel that too many secrets were maybe kept in this relationship. Now that I know the truth about everything, I'm making a decision here. Now, who's making this decision here, Spirit? Who's making this decision? Who's making this decision? Somebody is making the decision that there was no emotion in this relationship, and that they found very, very burdening. They felt I was the only one carrying the entire burden of this connection. I was the only one giving to the connection, and this person treated this partnership, relationship like a business, right? They were short and curt and never really made me feel emotionally happy. And I don't feel this. I don't want the security, which is never going to give me happiness. So somebody is deciding to put it to rest. Why? Because they feel it's a very imbalanced kind of a relationship. Six of Pentacles in reverse. Six of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, somebody here feels that this was a soulmate connection maybe. At one time there could have been love here, but because of their partner's behavior of never giving equally to the connection, this beautiful soulmate connection has fallen apart now. There is no more love left here anymore. So, Chariot, Spirit. Chariot for Aquarius. Yeah, somebody wants to leave all this trouble behind and move on to a happier place for themselves where they can have peace and calm. They have made up their mind and they're charging. Yes, they're sneaking away. Somebody is getting out of this connection, Aquarius. This could be you or could be your cross watcher. I don't know. One person, whoever was not emotionally happy because their partner was never present in the relationship, is now moving away to find happiness for themselves, and they've made up their mind. Aquarius, they are charging, they're moving, they're very focused that they have to get away. They want their wheel of fortune to move forward in a positive direction now. So what's this wheel of fortune, Spirit, for Aquarius? Wheel of fortune for Aquarius. Yes. Oh my God. Somebody has to now take some time out and rest. They want to find their peace once again. I think this rest is very required right now, Aquarius, because this person has to now think, do they want to re-begin with their partner or do they want to end this chapter completely? Either way, I think all this person wants is that life should flow, they should have good luck, and there should be a smooth journey ahead. So I think one person is going to really take some time out, rest up, maybe listen to music, get their information as to what makes them happier, ending this chapter or giving it one more shot to try again. So of course all of you will have different outcomes here, Aquarius. Some of you may want to go back and try again, and some of you may say this is too much for me to handle, it's over, I can't do it again. But take some time out and rest and heal before you make that decision, okay? And that's all I have for you, Aquarius. We'll get in depth on Tuesday now for you. We'll check on their side and see how they're really feeling, and maybe then you can make your decision. Meanwhile, take some time out and rest, okay? Till then, love and light. Namaste. Take care.